Welcome to Bytes, Bolts, and beyond. Caravan travel, Aussie adventures, and everything that keeps us moving. Alright, adventurers, all over, because we just stumbled onto one of Western Australia's most surreal natural wonders, the famous Pink Lake, also known as Hutt Lagoon, right here on the stunning Coral Coast. We're cruising along the highway between Port Gregory and Kalbarri, about an hour north of Geraldton, or 45 minutes south of Kalbarri, when this bubblegum explosion popped out at us in the middle of nowhere. I mean, look at this. We couldn't resist. We pulled the car off the road, grabbed the drone, and launched it straight up for some epic aerial magic. From up here, it's absolutely unreal. The massive Salt Lake stretches out over 70 square kilometers, sitting just a couple of meters below sea level, hugging the Indian Ocean coast. That vibrant pink, sometimes bright bubblegum, sometimes soft lilac, even edging into deep red, comes from a tiny algae called Junalia salina. Makes me think of June saliva. It thrives in super salty water and pumps out carotenoids. Hopefully I said that right. Same stuff that makes carrots orange. What's up, Duck? Nature's own food coloring. Anyway, when the light hits just right, especially mid-morning or at sunset, the whole lagoon glows like cotton candy dropped from the sky. We're flying over the shimmering surface, looking at those swirling patterns, the shallow pools, the salt crusts, the way the color shifts as the water depth changes. It's like flying over another planet. Check it out. The contrast with the deep blue of the Indian Ocean just a stone's throw away. This is mind-blowing. One side's pink, paradise, the other side classic, turquoise, Australia coast. But we weren't done yet. We hopped back in the car, drove around the other side near the Hutt mouth, river mouth, sent the drone up again for round two. Same lagoon, totally different angle, different perspective. You really get the scale now. Endless pink, stretching to the horizon, broken up by white salt flats and little islands of green where hardy plants cling on. The wind was whipping, the sun was high, the colours popped even harder. Look at those abstract patterns forming in the water, almost like aerial art. One spot even looked like a giant sandbar shaped like dinosaur bones. Okay, maybe not real ones, but it added to that otherworldly vibe. The place changes with the seasons and the time of day, even the weather. We caught it at its most vibrant best today. Come after heavy rain or in the drier months and it might be more muted or even patchy, but that's the magic. It's never quite the same twice. Pulling in the drone, we just stand here in awe. Places like Hutt Lagoon remind us while we travel to chase those hidden gems that make you stop and say, is this even real? If you're road tripping the Coral Coast, do yourself a favour, pull over safely, launch the drone if you've got one, just soak it in. From the lookout on Port Gregory Road, it's free, it's quick, and it's unforgettable. So that's our Pink Lake adventure, two epic drone sessions stitched together into one wild visual ride. If this blew your mind like it did ours, smash that like button, drop a comment telling us your favourite spot, pink spot in the world, and subscribe for more off the beaten path Aussie wonders. Next stop, who knows? Maybe another surreal landscape. Until then, keep exploring.